Welcome back to another edition of Diamond Day Productions. I am live on location with my good friend Don Rubin, and today we're talking about reverse mortgages. Everybody's raising their hand. Everybody's talking about it. It's a $13 trillion industry, and if you're a senior, which means you're 62 years or older, you could qualify. We're going to dive right in, and I'm going to throw it over to Don.
Right. If you currently have your home paid free and clear, or at least approximately 50% equity, that equity is illiquid, it's useless, and in these times of increased prices, inflation, everything's costing more. If you want to increase your cash flow and eliminate your monthly mortgage payment if you still have one, lower your taxes, and actually create higher net wealth in our retirement years, the HECM is a product for you.
Stop right there. So what he's saying is no mortgage payment, and you're increasing their net worth. So no mortgage payment, increasing your net worth. If you're watching this video, leave comments below. Don and I will do our best to get back to you as fast as possible. Continue, Don.
And you know, it's all about cash flow today, and this will increase your cash flow. And what's more, if you're not in the home that's right for you, you need to upsize, downsize, right size. The reverse mortgage, which is referred to as HECM, can be used for purchase. You have much more purchasing power. It's easier to qualify. Another great product for us seniors in our retirement years.
And I think it's great because a lot of people down feel stuck. So you're in a home, you need to downsize or upsize, but we call it right sizing. You said that word. Don calls it right sizing. If you're looking to right size, again, we're not movie stars, we're not actors, there's no green screen, we're coming to you live, we're speaking from the heart, and we're doing the best we can to give you real information. But if you're a senior, that's important, Don. You're not stuck. Don has a solution for you to help you continue with your best life.
It's a great option and one that you should seriously consider at least looking at. So Diamond Dave and I look forward to hearing from you. Just get a hold of our Diamond Dave here and he'll get me in touch. Thank you.
We appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe the video below. Don also has his own YouTube channel with tons of reverse mortgage information. So together, we look forward to helping you.